Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to place an online order on KFC. Open the website kfc.com, then click on Start Order. Once you're on this page, select a category from the menu. In this video, I want to order a sandwich, so I clicked on Sandwiches. After that, browse and click on the particular item you like. Once you've selected an item, you will be directed to this page. Here, select the quantity, or click on the edit icon if you wish to make some changes on the recipe. Then click on Add to Bag. If you want to add more items, just repeat the previous steps. Once you're done, click on View Bag. Now review the items on your bag. If everything looks good, click on Checkout. On the pop-up window, confirm your order details, then click on Continue. On the checkout page, you could change your order type by clicking on the Change option. After that, click on Edit under Order Type. Then select either Quick Pickup or Delivery. Next, enter your contact info and payment details. You could pay either through Google Pay or credit card. Click on New Credit Card to link your payment method. After entering all the necessary information, click on Place Order. That's how you place an online order on KFC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.